back to Vinsha channel, and please subscribe our channel and please click on the notification bells.
Alright.
And then I will send you all my notifications to you. And then when you're so happy, you must like my videos. And then when you want to watch more videos of me, then just spell my name Natilin. Hello guys, so we are going to open a Minion cup holder, and so let's go and open.
How you know the inside is cup holder?
Daddy told me the number
So where Daddy get this?
from
Malaysia. It's a limited edition. So the Daddy bought in Malaysia and McDonald's. It's a limited edition. So let's see what's inside. I don't know what the inside look like.
Oh
my.
it literally didn't include the toy.
Oh. Look at this one.
It literally didn't include the toy.
Look at this. So you have to.
And it literally didn't include
How to do this?
the toy.
Okay. Oh, and then like this, and then. Oh, like that. It's cute. It's cute. Like this. Is cup holder, your food, drinks. You can put it in car. So, ito guys, may two-way siya paano gamitin. So, ganyan. At ganyan yung isa. Ganito. Tapos, isabit nyo. Meron naman dito, may nakita ako dito. Mismo dito. Ayun. Sa loob. Ayan. Ayan, ito. Ganyan.
Oh, ito.
Yes. Tapos, ganyan.
What
This
do you
way.
mean?
And this way.
What do you mean?
Okay. So, pwede nyo din ilagay. Kahit walang handle, pwede din. Kaganyan lang siya sa lamesa. Ganyan. Sa table. Ang cute niya, no? Super cute. Sa McDonald's. Limited edition. Ang cute. Nat, do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Okay, see you guys.
Yeah.